The major product formed ammonia reacts with excess of ethyl iodide is option A, diethylamine, option B, ethylamine, option C, triethylamine, and option D, tetraethylammonium iodide. So their question is, when ammonia reacts with excess of ethyl iodide. So this reaction we call it as ammonolysis. So this reaction we call it as ammonolysis or ammonolysis. So here the major product they asked. So here what happens is ammonia acts as a nucleophile in this reaction. So if I write a reaction here, so when ammonia is nucleophile, when it reacts with ethyl iodide, that is C2H5, what happens? Replacement of hydrogen takes place. So that is here we are going to get C2H5 NH2. So along with that hydrogen iodide. Okay. So here one of the hydrogen is combined with iodine and it becomes hydrogen iodide, and so NH3 group is connected with ethyl iodide. So again what happens? We have to treat with excess of ethyl iodide, another molecule of ethyl iodide. So what happens here? Again it's NH, here C2, here C2H5. Okay, so what happens here? Here you got a secondary amine. So nitrogen is connected to two ethyl group. So excess of ethyl iodide, again you have to treat with another molecule of ethyl iodide. So again hydrogen is replaced. So you are going to get N C2H5, C2H5, here also C2H5. So this becomes tertiary amine. Okay. So what happens if you treat with excess of ethyl iodide? So here you are going to get N C2H5, 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 here also C2H5, but we know that nitrogen valence is 3, it becomes more than 3, so it becomes an salt, C2H5 plus, so here it is I minus. So in this reaction, in every step, successive addition of ethyl group takes place to the nitrogen. So if you observe the reaction, so first when ammonia treating with ethyl iodide, primary amine is formed. Next the secondary amine, after that tertiary amine, after that quaternary ammonium salt is formed. So the final product is this one, quaternary ammonium salt. So that is, you can name it as tetraethyl ammonium iodide. So tetraethyl ammonium iodide is the final product for the reaction when ammonia is treating with excess of ethyl iodide. Therefore, correct option is option D, that is ethyl ammonium iodide is the correct answer.